Oh shoot, look at that. It's some time. Wait a minute, hold on. It's more time. It's even more. Wait. It's extra time. Oh my God. Do you ever feel like, look, if I could just find some extra time, honey, I would have it all done and it would be all so amazing. Things would be oh so simple then. But look, let me tell you something. You are not going to find any extra time. And let me know if this is you. You wake up in the morning, you put your feet on the ground. After that alarm clock goes, you pick up your phone. It's an email. Somebody needs something. You got to do something. Your kids need something. Your husband needs something. You're rushing out the door. You're getting dressed. You're doing your commute. Even if your commute is just from the front of your house to your office. And the next thing you know, you've worked all day. You've gone through the whole day. It's time to cook dinner. It's time to get dinner, whatever you do. And then you're like, wait a minute, I'm exhausted. And I still either got some stuff to do or I just didn't do anything for me. You told yourself that today was gonna be the day that I'm going to exercise. Today's gonna be my first day to work out. I'm gonna get into a routine. You told yourself that this is gonna be my day to make sure that I'm doing the things for me. So here's the deal. What I want you to know is that there's a way to combat this. But what you can do is you can make time. Here's a tip that I tell my clients. Every task has a time. What do I mean by that? The night before you get ready to go into your day, okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna write down all the things that you need to do, all those things that you usually write on a long to-do list, and they're just bullet points one after the other. What you're gonna do is you're gonna write that list out, but now you're gonna take that list and transform it to an actual schedule, giving yourself a realistic ideal of what you can do in your day. And more so than anything, stop letting everybody work you out of your day, okay? But work yourself into your day. So I want to encourage you, make sure that you write out your day the night before because every task is going to need some time. All right. So if you want to make yourself an important part of your day, go ahead, write yourself into your day. You deserve it. And it's the only way it's going to happen because, baby, let me tell you, there is no extra time. All right. If you need more time, if you felt like I need more time, if I was talking to you, go ahead, put more time in the comments. And then I want to encourage you, don't just write it in the comments, but I want you to get a piece of paper out and go ahead, do the activity, write out all the things that you need to do for tomorrow, and then make yourself a priority in your day. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye.